Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Ford Taurus. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a wrench set, a drain pan, and fresh engine coolant. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin, as hot coolant can cause severe burns. Next, locate the water pump, which is usually found on the front of the engine, often near the serpentine belt. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old water pump. Begin by placing a drain pan underneath the radiator and opening the drain cock to completely drain the engine coolant. Once the coolant is drained, you'll need to relieve tension on the serpentine belt and remove it to gain full access to the water pump. Finally, unbolt the old water pump from the engine block and carefully pull it away, being mindful of any remaining coolant. With the old pump out, it's time for the new one. First, meticulously clean the engine block's mounting surface to ensure a perfect seal for the new gasket. Any old gasket material or debris could cause leaks. Next, place the new gasket onto the new water pump, then carefully position the pump onto the engine block. Securely tighten all the bolts, following the manufacturer's torque specifications to prevent over-tightening or loosening. Almost done. Reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's correctly routed and has the proper tension. Then, refill your cooling system with the appropriate type and amount of coolant, bleeding any air from the system as you go. Start the engine and check for any leaks, letting it run until it reaches operating temperature. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This ensures your Taurus is running smoothly and smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.